Hello and welcome everybody to today's very special presentation. So today we'll be covering the secrets to trading gold in 2015. So let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. I'm Phil Carr, professional trader, trainer and speaker. I'm the co-founder and director of the Gold and Silver Club. I do specialise in teaching people how to trade commodities. So those include gold, silver, oil, natural gas, the agricultural commodities. I train thousands of individuals to become independent traders and successfully manage their own investment portfolio. Also responsible for the research and the development of the Gold and Silver Club trademark strategies, which have a proven track record of generating returns for traders, and a regular contributor to a number of financial publications, speak at a lot of different webinars, workshops and events such as these. Joining me in running the Gold and Silver Club is Nick Housey, professional trader, investment analyst and speaker. Nick began his career within private wealth management in 2002 before making the transition into proprietary trading. And prior to co-founding the Gold and Silver Club, Nick spent several years coaching professional fund managers and traders internationally for some of the world's top tier hedge funds and investment banks. Nick is responsible for the commodities analysis and research which relates to the Gold and Silver Club proprietary trading strategies, and regularly writes for a number of global business and financial publications. We've appeared frequently on financial television. So that's just a bit of background on the Gold and Silver Club. We're really seen as the go-to guys and commodity experts on financial television, also the go-to guys in a lot of commodities press as well. So you're definitely in safe hands today. So we'll start off with the first secret to trading gold in 2015. The first secret to trading gold in 2015 is the US dollar index inverse correlation with gold. The inverse correlation with the US dollar index and gold is incredibly important if you trade the gold market, particularly for your day trading and your longer term positions. So essentially, when the US dollar index sells off, gold will go up, and if the US dollar index rises, gold will go down. So where are we at the moment with the US dollar index? This is the 10-year chart for the US dollar index. Currently, we've actually broken out beyond 2-year highs for the US dollar, which has put a lot of pressure on the gold market. We can see this very recently. Gold broke down to 2014 lows. Not just that, we broke down to 4-year lows on the Federal Reserve statement, which I'll discuss in a little bit more detail shortly, which was in October, which ended quantitative easing. And this, we saw a breakout to the upside for the US dollar, breaking out to 2-year highs, and it's put a lot of pressure on the gold market. If you know that in advance, and when you're trading these markets, if you're looking at the US dollar index on a news announcement and you're looking to position yourself for a sell short, for example, with gold, of course you can make money from gold when it sells off, as well as when it rises. Using the US dollar index for these trades gives you a lot more confidence in your trade, and you can use that correlation to your advantage. The second secret to trading gold in 2015 is the gold daily cycle. So if you day trade gold, this is very important to know how the ebb and flow of the markets over the European session, the North American session and the Asian session. So when the market starts the week on the Sunday Open and the Asia Pacific Open, often what we will see is the price of gold and the precious metals will rise from the Sunday Open. This is seen regularly. So into the evening, overnight, we often see Asia Pacific buys gold. Then comes the European session, and this is often, particularly if we're going to have a large smackdown with the gold market, we'll often see this start to occur from the European session, which will follow through into the London session. And typically in the afternoon is when we'll normally hit the low of the day for the gold market. So if you're intraday day trading and you're selling short, that is a very good opportunity for you to come out of some of your profits if you've been selling. And it's also a good opportunity if you see a good setup on the daily. That's a good opportunity for you to get in long gold if you to take advantage of this intraday cycle, because often we will see this position start to rise over the close of the UK session into the latter part of the US session and then into the Asia Pacific session. So that's really the second secret you need to know for trading gold, particularly if you're day trading it, the very regular gold daily cycle that we get. The third secret to trading gold in 2015 is news trading. So key fundamental drivers for gold. The United States non-farm payroll and FOMC announcements are the two most lucrative trading announcements that we get for gold and commodities trading. There are 8 lucrative trading opportunities per year with the FOMC. I'm just going to give you some examples. Previous FOMC announcements, 2011, through to 2014, how we traded these, some of the large moves that we got on the market. First of all, September 2011, Fed Operation Twist. So this was a 700-point move in 24 hours. It was a technical trade as well as a fundamental trade. We broke through some key support and we just continued to sell over 24 hours. It was a huge move. This was when silver was trading in 2011. Gold and silver were trading near all-time highs. We had silver trading near $49 an ounce and gold near $1,900. And this is where we had a huge sell-off on the market. And this was all started, the downward trend, which has been in the metals, started from the Fed Operation Twist. Very lucrative trading opportunity. September 2012, the Federal Reserve announced quantitative easing, where they're going to print additional US dollars, which then causes more upside for gold and silver. We saw a 500-point move for gold and a 200-point move for silver in just less than 3 hours. So very lucrative trading opportunities. This was September 2013, where the Federal Reserve was expected to announce tapering, and they didn't. And we saw an immediate breakout on gold and silver, 600-point move breakout within just a few hours this time. So a very lucrative trading opportunity. Again, range bound prior to the announcement. Once the news had broken out, we had a technical trade, a fundamental trade. You marry them together. You see the US dollar index selling off. You go long gold. Very lucrative trade opportunities. This was June 2004. This year, gold soared 400 points in just 24 hours, again off of Federal Reserve announcements. And also more recently, we've had that 600-point move in 48 hours from the October FOMC. So the Federal Reserve announcement, non-farm payroll announcements are very lucrative trading opportunities. So that is another secret for trading gold in 2015. So bringing it all together, so again the secrets to trading gold in 2015. Number one, the US dollar index trades inversely to gold. So if you are gold trading, you need to be aware of the US dollar index, what it's doing. You need to have the US dollar index chart up. You need to be able to look at that inverse correlation. Number two, day trade gold with daily cycles. Number three, know when to trade high probability news. So it's just having these key events in your diary. Okay, so those are the secrets to trading gold in 2015.